Thunder will never find you.
Did someone call?
It's Johnny Thunder! Hooray! He's here! Junior thinks you're real cool. Are you ready to get those numbers wet? Go! Go for it, Paul! Excellent! 1, 2, well done! Johnny Thunder's on his way, everybody! Come on, let's give him a really big cheer!
This won't hurt.
Welcome, Johnny Thunder. Thank you for answering our call for help.
No worries. What's the problem?
Well, the Aztec Queen has taken revenge on us by taking over the temple and stealing all our gold. If only you could break the magic staff, then maybe we can defeat her.
Leave it to me, kid. Now, where's that queen got to?
Looking for me, Johnny Thunder?
That's what I see.
The Aztec Queen